All good, fresh and clean. Yeah, you too. You got a shower a few days ago. Yeah. We are making a bit peas milk with oat milk with sugar and a bit cannabis for protein and peas today. So one more coffee. We were for a little walk, and I'm going to try without you and without the scholar to go to church with Dima today. Yeah. And if it's too hard to walk, I will use this one. I really don't like it, but we should not be embarrassed. It is what it is, and God is slowly healing me. It's getting better, so it's okay. Hey, honey, are you going to protect the room while we're gone? You're gonna protect you? You have to protect. You're just gonna chill and relax a bit. Yeah, I think you need to relax a bit too. Sometimes chicken need to chill a bit too. Sometimes, yeah, you need to chill too a bit sometimes. What do you want to have, snacky? You cannot have more. We don't have any food anymore. Wait till tomorrow. Then we will get a little bit money. But you should eat some of yours. You have so much. So much. You have more than we have right now. You have more than we have right now. You're not satisfied? No. It's because you want the bread? No, because then you're gonna make scheisse while we're gone. I know you, girl. And that's all we have left. Sorry, hon. Daddy needs to eat too a bit, maybe. Yeah. We don't have anything interesting left. We don't have anything, baby. We don't. We really don't. Mama not lying. I'm not lying. You have all these. We have all these. This one. We're getting tired of this one. You liked it yesterday. Okay. My dreads are getting long. King of my heart. Our little shop. I will keep it at home, so it doesn't get crumbled up in my backpack. Put it out here. This is the food we're gonna make today in Christiania Church. Healthy, original Genesis 1:29 diet.
Usiłajmy, później gotujecie. Ja myślę, może nawet cebulkę nie smażyć, będzie taka, wiesz.
Nie, pierw tam posmażyć trochę na dnie to. It's gonna be a good, colorful, healthy blend here. They are already practicing the singing in the church. Here in Christiania, look, the coolest church ever. You can even play dart out there. I haven't noticed that before. That's new for me. Look at that. Knock on the door to your right to borrow darts. I put down hos VC Fields down to låna pile. This is where you can knock to borrow these. Now I'm making video. So Dima basically made the soup alone. I just made some coffee and some water because he's fine here. Look, it looks actually yum.
has to offer. And there's no party like the party that God will offer us. And it's a party of love and every service.
Yeah, it's really good. Back from the church, bellies are full. It was a nice day, and now we're just gonna make some cacao and watch The Chosen One on Netflix and just chill. Dima's out with Chica, and now it's chilling time. So that's it for today. See you later, guys. Bye.